Hello. I think several of you guys want to know how to create private servers out there. And private servers have the benefit that you can have special, unique tags. Let me show you. I reload the page and write in a link. This link is my private server, and it's a really good server. I'm gonna show you guys how you can create your own private server. As you can see, we have plenty of options here. Let's just go with the coil gun. And let's just EMP rocket mace shooter. Oh, the mace is currently glitched in, whatever. As you can see, you can do whatever you want. I show you how to create this. Unfortunately, I not seen other tutorial videos, so I want to make your job easier, guys. Okay, let me do it. So, what you wanna do is go into the Arras menu, View Options. There, you find the private server template. You click on it, and the first thing you should do is to log into Glitch. That way you can get infinite time on it. Because if you're not logged in, after 5 days, your project, well, literally dies out. After you logged in, click on Remix to edit. And the first thing you want to do after the project is loading in is to give it a name. I'm gonna give it the name Ketchup 3 because it's a simple name. Now, the first thing you want to do is to make sure everything has loaded in properly. You can do this by scrolling through every single code. It's important because sometimes glitch can mess with you and don't load in everything, so you need to manually check you need to manually trigger everything to be loaded. Anyways, in this tutorial video, I'm gonna tell you guys how to create the basic stuff, because it's important. Like, every start is important. And after you know what to do, I'm gonna go in more in detail about more specific stuff. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create your own server, which I'm doing right now, how to create your own tank and own map. So the first thing, you wanna mark it as your own server, but how do you do it? First thing you wanna do is first just regularly click on Roid 2 times, then click with Control holding down on every single one of these which are not normal, and erase everything. Then put back everything as normal. Then change one of the areas, you can choose which one, to nest. That is gonna be the pentagon area. On the top left corner, you change it to base 1, which gonna give you, so if you do everything right, when you're gonna join in, you gonna get a map where you have a rocky area right next to a pentagon area, and on the top left corner, you're gonna get a blue base. Now, if you wanna Ctrl C, so copy the name, create a blank, no, damn it, Bing, arras.io slash notx slash host final slash host equals Control V, so practically you paste in the name, dot glitch dot me, press enter, And just to make sure, wait it until loads in and restart once again. This is important because it's gonna search every single possibility to screw you over, so it's good to do it. And after you get this. Everything is normal except for that area, because this is where the pentagon area is, and I know I'm gonna get incinerated by a ton of crashers, or not. Anyways, I show you a few stuff how to change things. Like, first, in the definitions, you can change this is practically when you upgrade to tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. Like level 10 is tier 1, level 25 is tier 2, and 45 is tier 3. Let's just say you want a level 45 tank at level 4. You can do this by removing and with this, you can pretty much have any type of tank at level 4. Let's just see it in action. As you can see, I'm level 13, and I'm already able to use, let's just say, I want to use a twin. And in that, I can already use the triple shot. And in that, I can already use the spread shot. This is the smallest spread shot you ever seen. Anyways, the next thing which you possibly want to do is customize these tanks. I show you how to do that. You go to definitions.js and let's just change the twin for now. Not it. And then go for 1518 and exports.twin. Click there. Then everything from this bracelet all the way down to this bracelet, this is everything which you need, contains the twins code. This is gun number 1's code. This is the properties, and this is gun number 2's code. Let's say we want to make a cheap version of the triple shot. Let's make this one's angle 30, and and if we want the quite opposite, we don't minus 30 because that's not gonna work, but rather decrease as much from 360 as much you write it in here. So from 360, 30 equals 330. So now, if I were to press play, you're gonna see how messed up the twin just got. Like, this is messed up. Okay, we can do another stuff. Let's just change let's see the tech tree a bit. As you can see, it's already shown there. Let's say we want to change the gunner. But how? What do we want to do with it? Go to the gunner. This is the gunner. Let's say we want to have it one less cannons. You can do that by removing a single piece of code. From one bracelet, two bracelets on the down to one bracelet on the top. This is what you need to remove. Then, first let's make sure they're offset. This is 7.22, this is minus 7.22, and then let's make this one's offset to 0. This way, this is gonna be the centered one. And we should be okay. Let's go back to our little server. Let's check if it worked. Twin. And there is the messed up nerfed gunner. This one looks like nail gun but worse. Okay, so there is a weaker version of the gunner. I mean, it's still strong, but not that strong. We can call this triple gunner if we want so. But let's give it something, because we only just subtracted from this code, dude. Let's give it a good shape. Let's just say we want it to look like a neck roll. Go to label, shift enter, and between label, why can't I say it? Write in shape, and let's make it 4, which means it's gonna be 4 is a square, 3 is a triangle, 2 and 1 gives you some weird stuff, 0 gives you a circle, 5 gives you a pentagon, 6 gives you a hexagon, 7 gives you a septagon, and so on. Minus makes it look like a trap or a block or just a boomerang or something like that. Okay, so if we did everything right, we should be able to get a gunner which looks like some sort of alien. This is cool, right? This is, oh, yes, and it's automatically changed the auto gunner into this monstrosity. See this? This is cool. But you know what's cooler? The fact that you can create stuff with this. Like, there is a lot more to this. But I'm not gonna go in detail in this specific video. That's gonna be the next one. I'm gonna show you some miscellaneous stuff. Like, let's just say you wanna have bots on your server. You go to server.js, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, scroll a bit up from here, and then somewhere here you're gonna find this about 4660. There, remove this and remove everything right here. And with this, you enabled bots. You go back to config.json and change this one, the bots count to, let's say, 4. Go back to server.json and give them a color. Color 17 gives them a gray color, just like the Palisade. Let's give them a color of 1. And also they rank color, make them 1. With this, what they're gonna get is practically, they're gonna look like one of the Celestials, the green one. Let's just see, if we did everything right, we're gonna have 4 bots, there is it, who has not just custom names, which you can change, which I show you how to change in another video, but also have colors, cool colors, like there. Look at that. There they are. Anyways, have fun, don't die by overlords, and I hope you enjoyed, guys, and also I hope that I can help you. Anyways, goodbye, have a good day.